this is Debbie with dvc-rental.com, and today we are at the Villas at the Disneyland Hotel. We are in room 136, which is an accessible room, but wow, is it large, and it is beautiful. Very large bathroom. This is my first time staying here, and we are super excited. You'll notice the tub is a little lower because it is an accessible room. Full-size mirror. We have your kitchenette. With your sink, your coffee maker, your Keurig. We have your microwave. Let's open these drawers. Okay, so we've got our dishes. Let's see what's in here. And our utensils. Well, that's nice to have if we need it. We have our refrigerator. Have a queen-size bed, and this is also the pull-down Murphy bed. Let's see. Yep. So those come up. You can have more storage there if you need it. Very large room. Plenty of storage in here. You'll notice there's a laundry basket right there, collapsible laundry basket, because when you stay in the villas with DVC, you do get access to free laundry. You do have a free laundry room, which is a nice perk. If you would like for us to help you secure this room, please contact us at dvc-rental.com. We would be happy to help you.